Alright guys, what's up guys? Back in the video. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all what's inside my baseball bag. And if y'all don't play baseball, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna do this video for today. So yeah, I have a Louisville Slugger baseball bag. It has my name on it, right here, as you can see. And then it has this thing that we got that says my name and my number on it. But yeah, okay, so I always keep my cleats on my bat. I don't know why. But Under Armour, well, it's backwards for y'all, but here's the symbol. Under Armour cleats. And they're pretty cool. I like them. I gotta get metal cleats soon because I have middle school baseball, but this is what my cleats are. And I'll do an update when I get like after middle school ball's over. I'll do an update. So yeah, I'll show you all my bats first. Okay, so this is my USA bat. This is for rec ball. It is a Easton Beast and stuff. But yeah, it's a 2919. I don't know. I have a small bat. I know, but yeah, it's a USA stamp. But I like it. I love it. I got this with my birthday money, and I like it. It's cool. Okay. So now this one's my travel ball bat. It's a Rawlings 5150. See, it's USA stamped right there. Your triple SA, my bad, not USA. But I've had this bat since they've changed the bats to USA. But I like this bat. This is a good bat. I like it. Okay, so here's the first pocket of my bag. There's a zipper. Okay, so here is my gloves. I have another pair that I use. I don't use this pair. I don't know why. But here's Under Armour gloves. I like them. They're pretty cool. And I have actually two. I don't know why I have two. I have two Easton. 1 and 2 Easton bat weights. So yeah, pretty cool. But here is the second pocket. Let me get this up. Alright, second pocket of my bag. Okay, so here is my Mizuno glove, as you can tell, Mizuno, and it's 12 inches. I like it. I use it for outfield and pitcher and infield. It's a good glove. It's worn in. Yeah, I like this glove. Yeah. Here is the gloves I use now. Those are the ones I don't use, but the last ones. But here are the ones I use now. They have a hole in them. I need to start using the other ones, but yeah, where's the hole? See, has a hole in them right here. Has a hole in it, but yeah. Now I have my helmet, my Rawlings helmet. It has a face guard on it, and I like it. I love this helmet. They have new padding, like this padding in it, like because somebody got hurt or something, and yeah, I like this helmet. It's pretty cool. So, oh, one more thing. I thought that was it. One more thing. I have this Ace arm sleeve. So this will help you if your arm starts to hurt if you pitch, or like throw it from the outfield and tear your arm up. I did that one time and I had to wear this, and it helps a lot. Like, it helps a lot. So yeah, that's what's inside my baseball bag. I'll give y'all an updated version when I get after middle school, because I'll have my drop 3 bat, my middle cleats, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll do an upgrade, and I'll see y'all next video. Peace out.